Gaza government media office don cry out say dem need at least 500,000 bags of flour per week or else e go be total humanitarian wahala. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya grab your zobo and relax make you hear wetin dey really happen for world. And make sure say you no miss the last story for today, because inside all this wahala and bad tori, something dey wey go make your mind calm down. Make we start from UK. Prime Minister Starmer and India Prime Minister Narendra Modi don sign one ogbonge trade deal wey worth £6 billion. Dis new agreement go make UK cars and whisky ship to enter India, and India cloth and jewelry go also ship to enter UK. Dem say the deal take 3 years negotiation before e finally land. E go still help fight illegal immigration between both countries. Some people dey fear say the deal fit affect British workers because of social security terms, but UK Business Secretary Jonathan Reynolds don clear say Indian workers wey dey come UK go get the same agreement like workers from other countries. Dem dey expect say the deal go create over 2,200 new jobs for UK, especially for engineers, technicians and people wey dey work for aerospace, tech and manufacturing. E go help British companies expand for India and bring more money for workers' hand, even when those places dey very dangerous. Now make we waka go US. White House don deny reports say President Donald Trump name appear inside documents wey relate to Jeffrey Epstein, the late sex offender wey dem be convict. Wall Street Journal talk say Attorney General Pam Bondi briefed Trump about the matter, but White House say na fake news. Even though Trump and Epstein be dey close before, government say no crime involve Trump. Epstein die inside prison for 2019, and up till now, plenty people still dey ask questions about the case. If you like wetin Pidgin Tori Global dey do, make you like the video now. Hit that subscribe button make you no miss our next video, and share this video with your people make dem too sabi wetin dey happen for world. One passenger plane for Russia don crash for Amur region wey dey near China border. The plane wey belong to Angara Airline get 49 on board, including 5 children and 6 crew. Dem say the plane disappear from radar as e dey try to land for Tinder. Rescue team find the burning fuselage later and no survivor dey. Officials say bad weather and possible pilot error fit be the cause. The AN-24 plane wey crash na old model and e don get wahala before. Wildfire for northwestern Turkiye don kill at least 10 people, 5 forest workers and 5 rescue team members. Dem dey trapped as fire suddenly change direction. 14 others still dey hospital. President Erdogan don send condolences and call the victims heroes. The government don open investigation, and this na the worst wildfire death toll for Turkiye this year. Earlier this month, 3 other people died for wildfire near Izmir. Serious fight don break out for Thailand and Cambodia border. Thai F-16 jets don bomb some targets for Cambodia after both countries accuse each other for attack near disputed temple area. At least 12 people plus 1 soldier and 1 small pikin don die. Cambodia shell fuel station and houses, and Thailand don close all border checkpoints. 40,000 people don run from their homes go bomb shelters as the fight dey spread. And finally, small light inside all this wahala. New study wey dem publish for Lancet Public Health don show say just 7,000 steps per day fit help your brain and body well. Dem say e better pass to just sit down and dey wait to reach 10,000 steps. People wey dey waka 7,000 steps get lower risk of cancer, dementia and heart disease. The whole 10,000 steps talk sef na from old Japanese pedometer advert from the 60s. So no stress yourself. If you fit waka 7,000 steps a day, you dey do well already. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.